As a tech startup, you are helping the world go digital, and no one understands the value of quality products more than you do. You know, defects in the life system can be the biggest experience killer. However, it is much more cheaper to fix defects found earlier in the life cycle. Of course, your developers will test your application, but is that good enough? Certainly not. For one, testing is a skill fundamentally different to coding. Secondly, your experienced test automators will automate your testing to ensure they save you time and money over multiple product releases. However, building a QA team can be both time consuming and expensive. But no more. Wishup brings to you the top 1% experienced test automation engineers selected through a multi-stage assessment process. It is extraordinarily affordable and insanely fast to build a team through us. And guess what? You need not worry about the employment contracts or any other liabilities associated with it. So what are you waiting for? Click now to browse through the list of immediately available QA test engineers, or simply leave us your details and a member of a team will get in touch with you for a free consultation on how you can save time and money with Wishup.